his brother, and he is dead! And I'm marrying his girl.
Never, never in this world!
You lost your mind!
You have nothing to say!
I've got plenty to say.
Nothing! You have nothing to say! Now I say he's coming back, and everybody else has got to wait!
How long? How
Till
long?
he comes, forever and ever, till he
Mother,
comes!
I'm going ahead with it.
Chris, I've never said no to you in my life. Now I say no!
Never let him go till I do.
You'll never let him go, and I'll never let him go!
I've let him go a long time ago!
Then let your father go!
She's out of her mind.
Altogether. Your brother's alive, darling. You get this? He's dead. Your father killed him. Do you understand me now? As long as you live, that toy is alive. God does not let a son be killed by his father. Now you see, don't you? Now you see.
She's out of her mind. Then you did it. He never flew a P-40. But the others, she's out of her mind.